Don't move. Hey, put your weapon down, sir. Put it down. Do not move. I need to... Do not move. Don't.
That's really sweet, but it's way too much.
Oh, shut me on my rib. Ah, what the hell? Wake up, lady. What happened to me? What happened to me?
You got shot on your nuts.
Ah. Where'd the guy go? The guy that shot me.
He ran away.
I can still catch him. He's gone. He's dead. He's down, gone now. Just one question. Should I fight? Oh, damn! Oh, snap. Oh, damn. Damn, he bended my gun. And it back. Freeze!
Those who need good men with you. You give your orders.
No! Don't kill him!
He's dead now. One more shot will do it.
Please don't do it!
Shut up!